Well, welcome back. One thing we love on Backstage is a good gig. Kizzy, I'm sure you'll agree with me.
Absolutely love a good gig.
There's nothing quite like it. But for some people, having access to live music isn't as easy for everyone. And now some people are hoping to change that for the better.
Hi, I'm Richie and I'm a gig buddy.
Hi, I'm Mark and I'm Richie's gig buddy.
Gig Buddies is an organisation for people with a learning disability and autism who could go out to have a social life. You can have your own gig buddy like I got with Mark, and once a month you go out with your gig buddy.
It's not just gigs, it could be anything, go to football, the cinema, go for a coffee. It's basically having that connection and social gathering.
We met on Zoom. Not the ideal first date, but we meet on Zoom, plan what we're going to do, and if we go to a gig, if we go and see Cardiff in League One, see Cardiff in League One.
We like all kinds of music, all kinds of venues, so it's nice to mix it up.
Indeed.
Keep it fresh. Out of all the years and all the gigs, all the different places we've been to, events, what was some of your highlights? Come on.
I see the Ultra Arena when we saw Royal Blood.
So our first ever live gig?
It was.
Wow. Yeah, that is a big highlight. I wonder why. Is it because of the thing before the gig? This is what we did before we went into the arena, wasn't it?
Yes, and we looked at the merch store.
The merch.
And I spent over 184 quid in merch, and that's a no joking.
Well, yeah, because no joke, because at the moment I was like, should I be doing something here? Should I be stopping you doing this? But after you had a phone call with your mum, she approved it. I was like, well, if he wants to spend that much on merch, let him be. So before Gig Buddies, how many gigs do you reckon you would have gone to then?
I went to 1 or 2.
Oh, really?
Last year, altogether, I went to 73. And this year, I'm aiming to go to 100. Yes, that's right, 100 gigs.
100 gigs?
Going to gigs helps with my anxiety.
The confidence I've seen you, Richie, like, has come on leaps and bounds throughout the years. Like, I can't keep up with you. Like, you go into all these gigs, I'm like, what gig do you want? Oh, I'm not free then, I got this gig, got that gig. You know, you keep going to loads of gigs with different people all the time. It's like you don't no longer need just a gig buddy or a guardian to take you to these places. You've grown like real independence from this. So you've become a bit of a face for Gig Buddies now, isn't it? Because wasn't it in Swansea? They launched in Swansea and you were the host for it.
And thanks to everyone here for turning up as well. When I got off the stage, literally for 5 minutes, I was crying for 5 minutes, and because I've not been emotional with Gig Buddies just like that, and it caught me off guard.
But it shows, doesn't it? Like how much it means to you, and that the fact that you had that opportunity and nailed it, like the host in that event for the launch of, you know, Gig Buddies in Swansea.
Yeah, and it was
a big deal.
It was a big deal, you're right, Mark.